job. All right. Get rid of man.
Go, back up, back up. Where's the roll?
Crash, crash. 2 hands, Brendan, 2 hands.
Push out.
Come on, set up, point.
Push out.
Box out, box out. All right, back.
Slow. Tornado.
Hands up.
Move the ball.
Hands up. That's it, good try.
Hey, they're in a 2-3 zone. Set up 13. Stick it.
Box.
Let it go.
Ready.
Yeah, that's all. Hey, 1-3-1. 1-3-1. Max, get to the foul line. 1-3-1.
Box.
Short. One more on. 2 shots, 1 more in it.
Right, take the point. Call out play. Win the man. Square and white.
Let's go. Call out kicks.
White, come on, guys.
That's it. Stay there, James. Stay there, James.
That's it.
Stay there,
That's
James.
Sean.
Get out, James. Get out.
Stay with him, Sean.
That's it. Stay with him.
All right.
Push.
Perfect, guys. Come on.
Short Harris.
Who do you have? I got the trade.
Tornado.
Who's got 43?
Good thought. Good thought.
Come on, coach. Stay with us, right?
Hey, pull your picks.
Ground.
Ball picks. Push out, James. Reach.
Nice.
Look at Max.
Nice hit. Hey, back you go. Back you go.
Fill it over.
Down, Conrad.
Play with your feet.
Play with your feet, James. Push help.
Help.
There's the trap.
Help.
Hey, we're up still.
Same thing, guys.
Three jump.
Cheat up a little bit now. Where's the trap? There it is.
Get it on the line.
Where's the trap? That's you, Sean. Hey, good hustle, good hustle.
17. Hey, we're in the zone, boys. Brendan, where are you supposed to be?
13. Stick it.
Go, boy. Box. It's yours, Brendan. Come on. White.
Sean, come on.
Max, cheat up a little bit. Hey, you two are the trap, right? Watch the trap.
Come in, come in.
Come on, guys. There's no trap there.
Red four.
Follow your shot. Stay up, stay up.
You don't have to force it. You don't have to force. Stay right.
Push. Hey, hold it, Sean. Stop. Hold it.
Run it.
Just hold it.
Come on, Cam, run it. Move up.
Box.
That's all right. That's all right. Good hustle, Christopher.
Here we go. Fill it up.
Wait to the right.
Move down, man. Move down. Step in.
Damn, take it easy on that match.
Drop in, use your feet.
Ball it out.
That's up. That's up.
Pull up, pick.
No shot with your feet.
Good try. Get back. Get back.
Let's go.
Hey, 13. 13.
It's up. 13. Come on, Will. Slide your feet. Go, Will.
Get it up, Will. Get it up.
Come on,
Time out. Time out.
Come out, Red. Come out, Red. Third is short, coach. Help them out. Liam, get in the lane.
Grab Will.
Got a box, fellas.
Nine white. 8 arm. 2 shots. 2. Relax.
Take your time. We'll send your knees.
Andrew, both of you guys take the shoe.
1 shot.
AJ,
Box.
body on him. Leo, same
Get
thing.
in, Chris. Come on, Sean.
Get it in. Come on, move. Easy grab.
Left side, Chris. Left side. Pull it out.
Hey, stop.
Get up this time, Jay. Get up on
And
it,
then,
Jay.
that's it. Get up right there. You're good. You're good. That's the trap. Lefty. Steal, boys.
Get out on it. Let's go. Where's your man?
Out. Where's your feet? Right, Chris.
Come on, Leo. Wake up.
Open.
Hold an eye, Cam. Hold an eye, Cam. Come on, out on.
Hands, Willie. Hands up.
Fellas, you got it. Big finish.
No, it's man. Tornado. Look at Will. Come on. Will, stop. Stay there, Will.
You know you have.
All right, Cam.
Let's go. Let one guy dribble through. There's the trap.
Jay, don't reach. Liam, let you know.
Box out, man. Chris. One shot, fellas. One.
All right. Back in the zone. Let's go. Back in the zone.
1-3-1. 1-3-1.
Hands up.
Moving.
Box.
Hey, Sean. Get it back.
Hey, let's turn. Hey, keep playing hard.
Lock up, Chris. Lock up.
Damn, easy. Lefty coming back.
Use it to right, Chris. Right. Cameron, get up on it. Hey, Sean. Just block. Hey, lock up. Cameron. Get up up, Cam.
Push up.
Right there. Stop. Will, get up. Here we go.
Here. That's Will.
Hey, first five.
End zone, Mike.
Get big. Good boy, Sal. Come on, you gotta hustle.
Trap. Take them. Back.
Help, where's help?
Hey, let's go.
Hey, Jay, don't try to do too much, right? Let me try hard.
13.
Back.
There you go.
Trap.
On the pick.
Come on, guys.
Up on it, Sonny. Up on it.
All right, get back.
Push. 13.
Sit down. Sean. Lay on the floor.
Hey, Jay.
Hey, stop. No, they got the last Red has to show four.
Yeah, Red just said, yeah, so it's white, yeah.
Like those.
Pop it here, Jay.
That's it. Where's the steal?
Control, hands up low here, Sean. 20.
Hey, gotta beat him there, right?
Hey, slow down and make your passes right there. Take a second and look everywhere. You don't die. You get double team. Get off the line.
Back up!
Sean, come on that screen. Cover, Sean.
Keep up the defense!
Look up, Sal, look up.
13! 13!
Front one.
Stop it here, stop it here. Jump on it. Jordy, stay with that.
Hey, keep up,
Red 1-6. Push. Sure, coach. It's going to be white right here coming in, coach.
I got a sub too.
Okay. He's at the table ready. So let's pick up white timeout, coach. Want to go 30? Want to go full? 30 seconds timeout.
Yeah.
Push it right. Push it right.
Get up, Jay.
Ball out the picks! Gotta get out of him, James! Get out of him from the count!
Hands back, hands.
Take it.
Cheat.
That's it.
Control now, control now.
Pull it! Behind! Oh, nice pump! Very nice!
You know where your man is, Leo.
That's it!
They win it.
Bird! No foul! Stand up! Match up!
Got Sally.
Make sure you know we have.
Four except for house. You know what? Stacy. Hey, Stacy.
Hey, come on, man.
Get it in there.
Push it. Take the ball. Hands up.
Let's go, match up!
Who's on it? Got it.
Stay there. Trap, turn.
Come on. Come on.
Johnny, you can't move the ball. You ain't balling. See who's right.
I got sub. Come on, sub. Check it.
Everybody except for
Box.
Good job, Jay.
Stay with him, Chris. Stay with him, Chris.
Don't reach, but with your feet. Hey, we're in 13! 13! Linsky's on the foul line! Box! Hey, stop! Stop!
Liam, get in the lane and help. Come on, give him a hand, Leo.
Pull it out! Pull it out!
Down. There you go. Somebody wants it. Help him. Here.
Hey!
That's three. Come on, dribble, Jay.
Hey, pull it out! Pull it out! Set up 13! What? Oh my God! So, Jay, come here. Jay!
Pick up now. Know who you got. Pick up.
Run to Brown. Brown.
Hey. Hammer down you got. Come on. Up a little. Up, down.
Leo, what are you doing there?
Hands up.
Sub.
Jay, Chase.
Wait ball and jump.
Leo, you're in. Leo, you're out.
Pick up. Pick up, Cam. Come on. Stay on it. Box.
Left side. Come on, Jay. 13.
On it. Run it, guys. Come on.
Drive.
That's it, Sean.
AJ.
Bring it.
Out of bounds, going down. Suck, come on in.
Hey, guys, let's look to get the ball inside. Hey, back! Chris, 25, 35, right? There you go. Watch it, guys. Chris, don't lose him.
Back.
Down low. Come on.
AJ, get in the middle.
13!
Get in front of him, AJ. That's it. When he slides through, you gotta get in front of him.
Yeah, boy.
Leo! Guys, gotta pick up.
Come on, Cameron. Go out on him.
That's it, Christopher!
Come on, you gotta go.
Gotta put the box down low.
13!
Andrew, front him!
Go out on him. Out!
Leo, you traveled and
Chris, get him off the pin. Get him off the pin.
Stop.
Come on.
way out of your range.
13! Check.
All right, Cameron, let's go.
Give it to him.
Box! Drop it up. All right.
Hey! Nova!
AJ, what are you doing? Set up. Oh, I got two centers.
There's Christopher!
Go to the ball!
Take it out.
Right, Chris, back up. Soft, man.
Space here.
We got the last jump.
I think, yeah.
Sack. Jay, what are you doing?
There we go.
On the clock, please.
Hey, what do you want here?
Pick up, Chris. Pick up. Come on. They went in.
5 seconds. Get the shot off. Shoot it.
Hey, come on back here, boy.
Second half.
Come on, play good defense. Play solid. Don't reach.
Yeah, White, you got to cross.
Reach. Play stick with your guys. That's it. Lock off now. That's it. Susan, pick it up.
Stay on it, Cameron.
Get back.
Settle. 13.
Hands up.
Keep it moving.
Hands up.
Slide down, Sean. Slide down.
Get on him, Conrad, when he gets in.
That's it. Well. Get the sack now.
Conrad, the shooter has it. You got to get out on him.
White 42.
Like, it's not coming. Take it easy, buddy. Bend your knees. You got it.
Box out.
Tap the squirrel, come on.
10, 2 shots, right? 2.
Hey, good life, baby.
Box
Bend your
out.
knees.
Hey, Will,
Take
come on.
it easy, Will.
Here we go, Will. 1 shot.
You got it.
Box the shooter.
That's it. Travel.
Get your man.
I got one.
Get your man, man.
What are you doing?
30-second timeout.
Turn. With your feet there. That's it. Get into the spot. That's it. Good.
Be right.
Good move. That's it. Good job, Willie. Stay there, Chris. Don't leave him.
Yes,
Pull it out. Pull it out. Settle. Hey, I'll take it. You want that good ball. I'll take it. Right? Keep playing hard, Willie.
Hey, Cam, come on.
Going baseline. Lock off now.
18. Guys. 18.
That's it. Lock off. All right, pull it. Settle.
Set it, swing.
Hey, we're in 13 now.
Take a left.
Let's go, Cameron.
Hey, Sebastian, Chris, come on.
That's it. Settle it now. Settle. Settle.
Good pass.
Pull it.
Back out, that's it. Keep it moving, keep it moving. Back up, Jay.
Hey, that's a good rebound, Trey.
Should have called it. Right? Not that loud. Come on, Will, bend it. Come on, Will.
Box out.
Let's go. Box. Come on, Sean, get in. Go, Chris.
White. 42. Push.
All right, Chris. Let's run 13. Run it through. That's it. That's it.
Swing, swing. Come out.
25, Jay.
No, you don't
That's good ball movement.
Do what Cameron does.
Almost here. This guy slides down. This guy slides down.
Stop ball now.
What happened, man? You hit Chris? Hey, you go deep! Settle it now! Settle it now! Hey, listen! Man, we're in the tornado, right? Our ball!
2-3! 2-3!
Stop! Stop!
Liam, get in the lane.
Yeah, in the crowd. Put it out. Swing it around. Swing it around. Swing it around.
Max, there it is! Come on, that's pretty big!
Shot up front, Liam.
Back up. Denying.
Good try, Max! Get on it! Oh, James, don't leave your man! Stay there! That's it!
Got that.
Get your man. Get your man.
That's where the goal is. From what's that movie with the Sandlot?
4+4!
Time out! There. That's it. That's it.
That's it. Stay on it.
That's it. I thought he got you too, Dave. I thought he got you. Hey, turn!
Right.
Come on, Max.
Box out.
Hustle, Sal.
Get your man. Get your man.
Go up the sideline.
Lay on him.
Turn, give me some help. Johnny, go.
You gotta get on it.
I was trying to appease him. I gotta drive home with him. Hey, let's go. That should have been a steal.
Max, get in, Max. Max, get in
Hey,
sooner.
guys, find your man and box him out.
Stay with him, Sean. Stay with him. Come in, hey.
Trap him.
Get out.
Look up.
Put it down.
Nice play, guys. A lot of respect for that pass, Sean.
43.
Jump on it, Sean.
Match up.
Hey, get in front of him. Get in front of him.
Johnny.
Hands up.
All right, go back. Hey, slow. 13.
Zone, Liam.
That's it. Good luck.
Nobody calls.
Settle. Hey, guys, settle.
Back in front.
James. Come on.
Get around that.
Trap. Settle. back, get back to your zone. 1-3-1. I can't kick out for 20 seconds.
Keep moving it. Keep moving it.
Keep swinging it.
Keep moving it.
Go! Push it! Push it! 10 seconds! 10! What are you waiting for?
Push it.
Come on, man.
It's up now. Play with your feet.
Too much dribbling. You gotta move the ball.
Get back now, get back. Jay, that's gotta be better, Jay.
Hey, go to work. Use the box.
Jay, you gotta step in front, right? Don't even let them get that off. We're in
Get in
third.
front of him, AJ. Get in front of him. Get in front of him. Gotta keep fighting.
Hey, go strong, big boy. Right? Go strong.
Come on, come on.
Let's go, back up.
Hands, Will, hands up. Hands up, Will. Up, up.
That's good.
Up, up. Baseline.
Damn it, don't lose him, right? 13. Foul on 15.
Keep working, Sean. Keep working.
Swing it, keep swinging. There it is. Drive.
Back up, Will.
Ooh, good job, Will.
Jump forward, red.
Stop! Quick way!
Ryan, get down low. Help. Move it!
Get back!
Ball, man. On the ball.
Baseline!
Okay, get back.
Hey, settle! 13!
Push it!
Hey, we're in press break! Hey, not one press the shot, let's work through the layup!
Go back to the zone.
Keep going. Keep it going. Work, Sean. Come on.
AJ, watch down behind you every now and then. Guys, move. It's up.
Come on. Dribble it, man.
AJ, you good? Come on.
One, white.
25.
Excuse me, one red.
20 shot.
Sure, one.
Chris and Will!
25.
Good job, Will.
Lock up, Cam.
Let's go, let's match up now!
Stay in front, Max.
Stay in front! Watch behind you! Let's find a good shot!
Work, Max. Work.
Hey, let's find a good shot! Lindsay, you all right? Hey, Lindsay, you're running the baseline! Right, Max, you're on the high low! Move over here!
When our hands are coming, our feet
Bend your knees a little bit.
Box out.
One shot.
Get in, Will.
Get back.
Come on, come on.
Get back. Get back. Match up. Somebody's got to get up. You got to press out on him, James. No shots. No threes. Tornado! Tornado!
It's working.
Tornado! Only a back of ball right here. Something else.
Work the ball.
Something else. Cut!
Gotta cut, Sean.
Where's tornado?
Keep moving, keep it hot. Come on.
Cut